what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google verified authorship to your site. So basically what that is, it's a way to tell Google that you are the official author of the content on a particular site. So for example, for QuickSprout, obviously Neil Patel is the author of almost all the content on that site. So when you search for QuickSprout in Google or a QuickSprout post appears in Google search results, his picture appears here as well. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing. So your first step is to set up a Google Plus account. So if you don't have a Google account, you will need that. So just create a regular Google account. If you have Gmail, you already can create a Google Plus account using the same Gmail account that you have. So once you've done that, you need to fill out your profile. So just head over to your Google Plus profile and fill in some details here under your story. Start following some people, add some work history or education, where you live, and basic information. And I've found that if you add these details, Google will kind of confirm your authorship much faster than if you just add the authorship markup without actually participating in Google+. So the only thing you really have to do besides filling out all this information is to add a headshot. That's very important. They have a recognizable headshot for Google to see. So you can't put like a picture of your cat or a graphic or an avatar or something like that. This does have to be a picture of you that's clearly recognizable. So that's important. So once you have all that set up, your next step is just to head to your site and make sure that it says your name somewhere around the title of your content. So when you publish a blog post, it should say by your name, the same name obviously that you have at your Google Plus profile. So it can't say like by admin or by a username. So it has to actually have your name here, because that's what Google uses to determine, that you are the author of this piece of content, along with the next step that I'm going to show you. So once you have all that set up, just head over to the authorship page at Google+, and you can find this just by Googling Google authorship. This is the first result, and these are basically the steps that we already went through. And the fourth and final step is to add an email address that's at the same domain that you contribute to. So, like at Backlinko, it has my name. I talk about it here in my profile, have the headshot, I'm good to go. The last step is just to put in an email that's on the same domain, okay? So Brian at Backlinko. You wouldn't want to put like briandean@yahoo.com, okay? Because that's not going to work. Now, if you don't have an email that's associated with your domain or don't want to do that, there's another way that you can link your Google Plus profile to your content, and I'm going to show you that right now. To do that, head over to your WordPress dashboard, hover over users, and click on your profile. And by default, WordPress has a Google Plus area, so just put the full link to your profile. So I'm just going to copy that right now to show you what I mean. Put the full link to your profile here, and then click Update Profile. Okay, and that will associate this author, you in this case, with that Google Plus account. Okay, so your next step is to head over to the Yoast SEO plugin and click on Social, and then click on Google Plus. And under Author for Homepage, you want to pick yourself, your own name, and then click Save Settings. Okay, so that'll link the profile, the Google Plus page, and you as the author within Yoast. Okay, so you're almost done. There's only one more step. Head back to your Google Plus profile, scroll to the bottom where it says links, okay? And under where it says contributor to, you want to add your site here, okay? And that creates what's known as like a linking loop. So you have a link to this profile page from your website, and then when you add a contributor to your website, it completes the loop and confirms that you are in fact the author of that content. So just click on the edit button, then click add custom link, and add a label. Okay, so this is where you would add the title of your site. Okay, so if you had a site like QuickSprout, you put QuickSprout, and then you put the URL, and then under current contributor, you put current contributor. Okay, if you regularly contribute to that site, click save, and you're good to go, and you have Google authorship. It does take Google some time to go back to your website and index everything that you've added and to link everything together, but it usually only takes a few days. And like I said, if you contribute to Google Plus, if you follow some people, maybe comment some posts and fill us out thoroughly, it does tend to confirm it quite a bit faster. So that's it for Google authorship. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.